Hey, it's Clint. In this short video, I want to go over owning a website and having a brand and why the two are so important. And I'm also going to show you where you can find a logo and a cartoon for the header of your website. Alright, so why do you need a website? Well, the website is the most important asset to your business because it's your home base, and this is where all of your business takes place. You're going to be building content that you're going to add to your website, and this content will be discoverable in Google. So once you add all this content to your website, you can just take your hands off your website and you can watch your business grow because people are going to find your website automatically through Google. All right, and we wouldn't be able to do that if we didn't have a website. Aside from that, I'm going to show you how to create lead capture pages and opt-in forms. You're going to need a website for that. And I'm also going to show you several little goodies throughout this course that you're going to need a WordPress website for as well. And I'm going to show you how to create a website in the next video, and you're going to be blown away at how simple it is to create a website. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about is branding. And the reason why branding is so important is because when somebody sees that you have a logo and a brand name, they're automatically going to assume that you have authority in whichever niche you're marketing in, okay? It's as simple as that. It doesn't matter what the logo looks like or what your cartoon character looks like. As soon as they see that you have a logo and a brand name, you get credibility and authority in your niche, okay? And you're going to be surprised at how well people will respond to your logo and your brand. And you're going to actually get people coming to you and asking for resources and help in whichever niche you're in, okay? It's like magic. It works so well, and you guys are going to notice a huge difference once you guys implement this. All right, so as far as the brand name goes, my brand name is Clint's Money Box, and the reason I chose that is because it's short, it's simple, and people will remember it, and the domain name was not taken. So I'm going to show you exactly how I find brand names for each of my websites. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to iPage. So you can click on the link below this video to go to iPage. Okay, and then once you're here at iPage, click on the Sign Up Now button. And it's going to take you to the domain finder, okay? So let me just give you an example. If you're doing a website for dieting and you wanted to call your website Diet World, then you would type in dietworld.com right here. And you would click on Check Availability. You want to make sure to use a .com name simply because .com is much easier for people to remember than .info, .us, .org. Okay, so always make sure you use a .com. And if you look, you can see that Diet World is taken, and so we're not going to call our website Diet World. We're going to find something else that's not taken. Okay, so this is how I go through looking for a brand name. And if you guys are having trouble finding a brand name, go to synonym.com and start looking up synonyms of words that are associated with your niche. Okay, and then hopefully that'll give you a bunch of ideas that you can use for your website. Alright, so once you find a domain name that you like, I'm going to show you how to set up a website with that domain name in the next video. Okay, so that's how I find my brand name. I use the domain finder, and once I find something that's not taken, I'll grab it. And as far as the logo and the cartoon, you can find people who will do these for you for $5. So let's go to Fiverr.com, and I'll leave a link under this video. Okay, and here we are at Fiverr. And Fiverr is just basically a website where you can get different tasks done for you for $5. And if you want to browse around and see what kind of tasks they have thousands and thousands and thousands of different silly things that people will do for you for $5. It's really interesting to look around on this thing. But what we specifically need is a logo and a caricature. So all you have to do is go over to the search bar, type in logo, and hit enter, and you can find several people who will create a logo for you. So here you go. I will design a killer logo with high quality for your website for $5. Okay, look at all these, tons of them. Okay, and then as far as the caricature goes, you can decide what kind of a cartoon you want for your website. So caricature or cartoon. I'll type in cartoon. and I will make a cartoon logo. I will turn your image into a cartoon. I will make 5 of your pictures a cartoon. So you can see there's several different kinds of styles that you can choose from, and tons of people are willing to do this for $5. And I'm sure if you show them where you want your logo to go, they'll help you out with getting that logo or your cartoon into your header. Okay, that's basically it for owning a website and creating a brand. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your website in 10 minutes. So I will see you guys in the next lesson.